Hello everyone, welcome to our first winter video. Today we'll be showing you
5 winter sniffle hacks.
That's right. For this flu shot, we will need first lemon, garlic, blackstrap molasses, and cayenne pepper. This remedy is great to take when you first start to feel the tickle in your throat, or in the middle, or at the end. Garlic is a great natural antibiotic, and it helps to boost your immune system. Lemon is high in vitamin C and will help you get better fast. It also helps with runny noses. Squeeze all the juice out. Blackstrap molasses is high in iron. 2 tablespoons will do the trick. Cayenne pepper is also high in vitamin C. Mix it up well. There will be a few chunks of garlic, but that's okay. Here you go. Drink up.
What is this? A flu shot? Smells good. I actually like that. It tastes better than I thought it would. Our next recipe is called ginger spice tea. This tea has garlic, ginger, and cayenne. First, you're going to chop your ginger and your garlic and place them into your pot and boil them. After boiled, let them steep for about 15 minutes. After you have poured your tea into your cup, add 2 teaspoons of honey and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, or less if that is too spicy for you. This recipe is easy and it is the perfect tea for your throat.
Here's another quick and inexpensive remedy: nature's cough syrup. The ingredients are onion, garlic, and honey. That's it. Here's what you do. Chop up half of an onion and 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. Then what you're going to do is measure out half a cup of honey. Then pour your honey into a mason jar so that you can keep it for later. What you'll do next is put the garlic and the onion in the honey. You can also consider putting your dry ingredients in first and then the honey on top. Now mix your ingredients together, and it'll be a little sticky at first, but you'll notice that the honey will liquefy with the juice of the onion. Doesn't that look great? So let this mixture sit for about 30 minutes. And then after that, you can take about a spoon every time you have a cough. Enjoy.
This is one of my favorite recipes. For this one, you're just going to need 1 to 2 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Now to prepare this recipe, you're going to heat the pan with the olive oil in there, add the garlic, and then remove it from the heat and wait for a slight browning of the garlic. Then you're going to pour it into your container and let it cool down before you administer it. Now this, you only need 1 tablespoon 2 times a day. This is also great for ear infections, infected tonsils, sore throats, and it's also a wonderful God-given antibiotic.
I like that. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video very helpful. We are Foundations Academy Blueprint to Education, and I'm the main teacher, Miss Suzanne. Dr. Mom, Dr. Suze, whatever the kids want to call me. And we are really excited to be bringing to you a variety of videos this coming year on lots of different topics. If you have any ideas or comments that you would like to share with us, please post them below and we will be happy to get to them. Well, here's to your health, and hopefully and prayerfully you'll be able to stay out of the doctor's office this winter. God bless. Bye. See you next time.
That's right.